gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here, Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Guys, we are back at work, back in action. And you guys know how we start off every day here. They don't call me Matty Buckets for nothing, you know? They don't call me Matty Buckets for nothing. Alright, close enough, guys. We got 2 flights today. Just working from here to Phoenix to St. Louis, 21 hours in St. Louis. Let's see what we can get into. Guys, if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like on this video, and I hope you guys are having a dope day. If you didn't have a dope day, have a dope day tomorrow, you know? It's all good. Let's fly, baby. Hey, what up, girl? Yeah. Hey. Yo, Courtney's like, yo, do I know you? I'm like, yeah. I don't know. I mean, we work with a lot of people sometimes. She's like, nah. She's like, I follow you. I do. I'm like, hey. I'm like, my girl Courtney watches the vlogs. That's what I'm talking about. I watch all of them. So that's a heart. That's a heart. You gotta. Well, no, I got half, and then you got. Hey, it's like it kind of looks like a heart. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Kids, you gotta have your breakfast. It's 0 dark 30 right now, but like, yo, kids, don't play yourself. You know. You gotta treat yourself. I know, that's right. It's healthy. It's an acai bowl, girl. That's the move. Jamba is the plug. And what's your name, bro? Prince. Prince. Tell me why I look on the thing and I see Swaggy P. Yeah. I'm like, yo, because guys, like on our like schedule thing, you can like, I don't know, have like a nickname. Like my name's Matthew, but like I can put like Matt or whatever. This dude's nickname is Swaggy P. I'm like, what? Yeah, that's sick, dude. That's pretty cool. That's fresh. Did they call you like, hey, Swaggy P? No, my first nickname I put down. I was flying with the senior dude. His nickname was Mo Money. Mo Money. Yeah, so just like, I love it. How do you do it? I might put Molives on there. I don't know. And so yeah, some Molives wings. I don't know. I love it, guys. I missed you. I missed the flag. I missed the flight attendant flags, baby. We out here. Oh yeah, and I just got paid for last month. You know how I was working every single day? Literally, I had like 3 days off last month. It was crazy. Now we're really talking. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Woo, baby, we made it to St. Louis. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, thank you so much for 1 million subscribers. We're trying to get to 2 million. Alright, okay. No, nobody here again. Yo, Swaggy P, what's good? What's up? Yo, they don't call him Swaggy P for nothing, bro. He's got the winter hat with the brim, bro. I used to have that back in the day when I was like 6. But yeah, it's Courtney's like first. She's like 2 months in. She's still on probation, so we got to show her like a good layover, a good time, and we got to take care of her. Because that's what happened for us, you know. Like when we started, that's what goes on. Yeah. You gotta take care of the swamp people, especially the new ones. That's what I'm saying. You gotta take care of the newbies on the blocks.
You guys going downtown?
Yeah, man.
What's your flight number?
62. Ooh, these boys are fighting over us. They're fighting over us. Oh man, we are
6034.
34. Yep.
6034.
Boom.
6034.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
That's us 4. All right. Perfect. Perfect.
Day in the life of a flight attendant.
Yes, it is, my man. Yes, it is.
Welcome to St. Louis.
Welcome to St. Louis. All right. Okay. We like it. We love it, baby. Good vibes, bro. Look at this. Look at that personal escort out here. I love it. All right. After this trip, we're going to Hawaii, eh? What's that? We're going to Hawaii after this trip. I wouldn't mind, man. I'll visit my mom. Yo, actually, dude. Yo, say the word, bro. I'm jumping. I'll jump. Appreciate it, brother. Oh yeah, guys, and we have a new character. We got a new main character, Kim, right? Is it Kim?
No, do not put me on.
Oh, Kim, come on.
I don't do cameras.
You don't want to be on? Guys, and that's why there was a pumpkin over her head the whole time.
Oh,
okay.
What?
What? You don't want to be in? You got a pumpkin over your head. That's what happens. Yo, y'all signing in?
You want to do it?
I mean, do I want to?
Yes.
Oh, now she's in it. Oh, now you're in it? Okay, okay. There's no more pumpkin, guys. This is Kim. Say hello. Do you want to say hi to anybody?
No.
No, okay.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. Howl at the moon? It's like a dueling piano, you know? I mean, I don't know. If you guys like dueling pianos and good times and fun, I don't know.
Okay,
Boom.
so what time?
Probably work out for like 2
hours?
Yeah, like 7 hours or something, you know? No, okay. Yeah,
Okay,
no,
no,
yeah,
what?
no. 4 it is.
4 it is?
We'll see you 4 o'clock. Wow, thank you. Right next to the elevator. Wow.
We know whose door to knock on now.
Thank you so much. You shouldn't have, buddy. Oh man, nice room anyway. It's all good. All I need is a bed. All I need is a bed. Oh, snap, almost forgot. Alrighty. Shout out Vivi. Alright, let's check out this view. We are right downtown. Yo, you can see some of the arch. Let's go. We are living large, baby. Living large and in charge. I have like this fear of St. Louis ever since I was a little kid. I was I was visiting my family back in the day, and I don't even remember how old I was. I was like 10, but I had cousins that lived here, and yo, there was sirens going off. There was a tornado warning. I look outside, like I see a tornado. Actually, I think I saw a tornado. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm making this up. But I think I saw a tornado, and then we went to the basement. We lost power. It's kind of scary, so I'm like, yo, St. Louis. No St. Louis. But it looks nice. There's a howl at the moon. So we're gonna hit the gym. We're gonna go out tonight. We're gonna take care of our girl. We have to show the newbies, everyone, all the flight attendants that are new on probation. If you guys want to be flight attendants, that's gonna be you one day. And that's what happened for me. Like when we were new, all the senior mamas, they bought our food, got our van tips and everything. So we gotta return the favor. And they always said that too. They're like, whenever the roles are reversed, you gotta do the same. And I'm like, I got you, Granny. I got you. I'm gonna work out and then shower and change. So I'm gonna work out. Whew. But I also have to shower. Yeah. And change. Okay, alrighty, that's how we do it, baby. Let's get this layover started. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Woo, that's how we do it. Yo, Courtney. Where you at, girl? What's going on? Guys, Courtney's not down here.
Are we in a car?
I was 40 minutes late, personally.
45.
And, oh, 45.
He's getting a swole on.
Okay, okay. Bro, you were in the gym too, man? He was in the gym too?
15 minutes late.
We were all getting after it. Alright, we gotta find Courtney. Alrighty. I'm gonna go to the front desk and find out what her room number is, and we gotta call her, you know? You gotta get the whole crew for the crew life, crew debriefing, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't, then you're not being a good friend, bad crew member, bad flight attendant. And yeah, here we go. Hey girl, where you at, girl? We just got downstairs.
Is this the first one?
Yeah, we just got out of there. Just come down to the the bar at the front desk, like to the right. All right, see you in a few. Thanks, man. All right, she's coming. She's like, oh, I didn't. She's like, oh, good. You guys just got down there. I didn't oversleep, so she'll be down in just a second. Like I said, guys, no crew member left behind.
Yeah.
No crew member left behind.
Left behind. Did you call her?
Yeah, I called her. We got like this VIP section, you know what I'm saying? Hey, VIP, baby. All right. Say what up to Court.
I was like,
Hey, good morning. Good morning, Courtney. So nice of you to join us. How are ya?
I was sleeping. Okay, here's the menu.
You're sleeping?
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all good.
It's all good. We thought you were.
You got that beauty rest, girl, because you looking good. Hey, how you doing?
We've been waiting for you. Where you been?
Exactly.
I got her a drink. She says split. I got her a drink. Whatever she wants.
Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Round two. Kids, life tip number 27.62278.3
Oh, I love
and a half.
They did a good job on that.
If you're trying to get large and in charge, you gotta fuel the tank. That means 2 chicken sandwiches, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. What was that? Be no crew member left behind out here. Nobody. Not up in here. Not up in here.
Not up in here!
Not up in here.
Courtney's my first, by the way. Yeah, Courtney asked me a question. She's like, "Yeah, have you ever worked with anyone who actually watch your videos or something?" I'm like, "Nah." So Courtney's my first.
Yeah.
That's my girl. That's my girl. Yo, we don't leave crew members behind out here. We don't do it. We don't do it.
Friends for life.
So 360 view, 26th floor.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah. All right. That's my boy. That's my boy. Boom. Hey.
Shaka brother, cuz kind.
Alright, apparently there's this 360 view of the entire city of downtown St. Louis. You can see the arch, you can see the St. Louis Cardinals field. And yeah, it looks something like this. Guys, this is a completely 360 view of like St. Louis. You got the arch right here. And we got Budweiser Stadium. This is where the, what is it called? This is where the Cardinals play. Look at this. You can literally see right into the stadium. Woo, baby. Not bad at all. Life is good, brother. Life is good. No complaints, man. What's the Hawaiian like? Life is good, like chilling.
We kind of came up with chillax, basically, but then
you guys came up with chillaxing?
pretty much.
Chillaxing? Mahalo?
Yeah, you got mahalo.
Mahalo.
Shaka.
Oh, Shaka, yeah. Shaka. That's Hawaiian, right?
Aloha. Aloha means I love you, goodbye, hello.
Same with mahalo, right? That means like a bunch of stuff.
Mahalo is thank you, basically.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love it, I love it.
People think it's trash because it's all over the trash cans. It says mahalo and everybody thinks, oh, it's trash.
Nah, it's like, thanks for throwing it away, bro.
Yeah.
I love it, you know? Woo! Mahalo, yo, just call me Johnny Capahala, man. You know who Johnny Capahala is?
I don't know.
Johnny Tsunami?
Oh yeah, Johnny Tsunami, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Hey, I'm older than this cat.
Oh, I got socks older than you, buddy. That's just because I collect like really old socks. JK. Woo, we're back, baby, alrighty. That's how we do it, baby. It's just another layover, another day of the crew life. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, baby. I'm gonna put out a few more videos of my Canada trip when I did the giveaway with Craig and when I flew him in a helicopter. If you guys haven't seen that video, boom, click it right here. I flew to Canada to fly a fan in a helicopter. That's what we do for 20,000 subscribers. Next giveaway is gonna be at 30,000 subscribers. Also, in the next few weeks, I'm gonna do another mystery flight. Molives, what's a mystery flight? Oh, I'm glad you guys asked. A mystery flight is when I go to the airport with no destination, go live on Instagram. So boom, follow me right here on Instagram. And you guys literally vote for what country I go to. It's gonna be a crazy destination. We're not going to Europe this time. It's gonna happen within the next few weeks, guys. I gotta travel, I gotta get out there. Even though you're like, Molives, you travel every day, bro. All right. And that is it. You guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.